The Admiralty Information Overlay AIO is installed in the FURUNO ECDIS by installing the cell GB800001 included in the permit.txt file and then the AIO data. To install the AIO permits, select License on the home screen. In the Licenses window within the ENC tab, click Install Licenses. In the Select File window, browse to the location of the new AIO permit. Select the permit.txt file and then click Open. An attention message will appear confirming the number of permits found and installed. Click OK to continue. The AIO permit will now appear in the licenses list.